Hi guys, and welcome back. This is another episode of Rooftop Thursdays with FlytrapFran, and that's little old me. Hey there. Okay, so today the whole purpose of this is just to give you guys an insight into my life, into my days. Why am I walking around, you ask? Because it's beautiful up here, and I want to see it all. Yeah, and I want you guys to see it all too, because this is summer in New York, and not a lot of people get to experience this. I know I didn't get to experience my rooftop access to a couple of years ago, and don't say anything now. Check this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 So we're gonna walk this way, so you guys can enjoy the view. Um. Ooh, my arm is getting tired already. Anyway, so today what I wanted to discuss with you guys are two things that I do on a daily basis that help me get organized. One is a good thing, one is a bad thing. Or let's say this: one of my favorite things. I can't talk today. One is one of my favorite things to do, and then the other one is one of my most hated things to do. So we'll start off with the negative one first. Um, so the negative one is organizing videos. Jesus Christ, I hate doing this. So we take 15-second clips or 1 minute clips or whatever the case is. Hold on. Let's swap you guys so you guys can continue to see the view. There you go. And hey, my arm gets a rest. So we do anywhere between 15 seconds to a minute as a clip, and then we'll stitch it together or whatever the case is. I use a lot of those small clips over, let's say, a long footage like this. And that's one of the things that I do for one of my jobs. One of the things that I do is I help friends do performances or visuals for their performances, whatever the case is. So sometimes I'll have to splice them up, and it gets hectic when you have the same file and then that little one at the end. Oh, I hate that. I hate that so much. All right, we're gonna stand over here for a second. Sorry about that. My camera decided to quit on me. Um, So we had 53 clips from yesterday, and that turned out to be not bad because a lot of them were different. Like I'll have one or two of the same or similar clips, and then the other ones would be like different clips. So I'll have different names. So it was easy. But for example, if I'm shooting a video for something else, like a larger project or something, then I'll have 100+ videos, and to go through that, it takes so much time. Excuse me, and that's just to label them. That's not even using them to edit or whatever the case is. So that's one of my least favorite things. Now, one of my favorite things to do, and I do this every single day, and I think everybody who's watching me should do this or should take this into consideration, is using a notebook, like an actual piece of pen and paper. It is so incredibly convenient. Like, has your phone ever died in the middle of like the day and you have something pending in your phone or in your notes or like a reminder or something? Yeah, that's happened to all of us. Guess what? If you have an actual notebook, you no longer have that issue because it's in your notebook. And yeah, sometimes you lose your pen, but 9 times out of 10, if you go into any bank branch or branch of a bank, whatever you want to call it. Oh wow, look at that! Look at that over there. That's so pretty. It's sunset. So we're gonna stay here and hang out so you guys can watch the sunset. Um, so over here. I know it's pretty, but I'm over here, guys. All right. Anyway, so long story short, I think everybody should have a notebook. I have a Moleskine one, which they're amazing. I actually used to work for Bloomberg as a security guard, and they had an event, and we got to keep, excuse me, we got to keep a whole bunch of them. So I currently use two of them. I have one specifically for YouTube, and then one for everything else that I do, photography, career, personal ideas, jokes. Literally, I'll have jokes, like little sketches, thoughts for poems, whatever the case is, I'll have it there. And that's literally, I carry that in my bag every single day, no matter where I go. And if I don't have a bag, you'll see me with it in my back pocket or in my hand, whatever the case is. And if I find a pen, great. If I don't, then I have one, because I always take one with me. Look at that sunset. It's literally setting up for you guys. That's amazing. So this is one of my favorite places, and I'll try to do like a little extra stuff for you guys. Um, I took like a quick time lapse earlier. My lips are super dry, jeez. Oh, I've been trying a lot of alkaline water. I don't know if those two correlate, but thirsty, that might be it. It's almost gone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see you tomorrow. Okay, I love you. Bye. This is the longest goodbye ever. Can you guys hear the train? If you guys look, can you? It should be like over there, and then it crosses right behind that building. Can you? All right, whatever. I don't know if you guys saw it or not, but yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys. We not the same. I'm for the love, you for the fame. I'm for the love, you for the fame. I'm for the click, you for the bang. I want the trips, you want the plane. You want the whip, I want the lane. You want the drip, I want the rain. You staying faded, I see the pain. Paint a picture